Take a ride in the 2025 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, traction control. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.